Hello everyone, this is David's Toolbox. Today to show you the Apple's very classic model iPhone 6, a gray and a gold two cannot be turned on. The first to remove the gold one. The two screws on the bottom of this phone are gone, so it's straightforward to take out. The disassembly piece to open the screen. You can see that the vibration is loose. This one fixed vibration screw fell in the seam. First screw it back. First of all, we need to power off the phone. Unscrew the fixed baffle screws and then remove the baffle, and then disconnect the battery from the motherboard. In order to facilitate the operation, you need to remove the screen. Also remove the screws to remove the bezel. At this time and then disconnect the front camera and light-sensitive lining, screen display lining, fingerprint, home button lining and screen touch lining, and then you can take down the screen. Take out the multimeter to measure the positive and negative battery. 0.00 volts, no voltage. This situation should be a battery power loss. We adjust the regulated power supply to the volts, respectively, connected to the positive and negative terminals of the battery. The power supply shows a charging current of more than 2 points of amperage. Disconnect to measure the battery voltage again. You can see that the voltage has 3.33 volts. This means that the phone should be able to charge. We first put the screen back to install back the screen. Snap back the battery buckle. Plug the charger to test. The screen is showing the charging icon. Put him aside to charge first. In the charging period, the other agree to take apart to see what the problem. First unscrew the two screws at the end. Disassembly piece along the slit around the screen to open. Lift off the screen. Directly disconnect the battery. Remove the battery. Measure the battery has no voltage. Just the same with a regulated power supply to the battery activation. Again measuring the battery or no voltage. The battery is bad. Just go this has been charged to the boot, but the screen is bad. You can see that the upper left corner of the screen are cracked. Gold has been turned on. It means that the battery is good, that the battery is installed to the gray machine to try. Button up the battery. Press the boot button. Apple's logo is out, but has been in this interface repeatedly restarted. Generally, this situation is caused by damage to the motherboard, but this machine is too old. The motherboard has no repair value, so we will not repair it. In this case, the gray screen is good. Then we replace this screen to the gold phone up. First take off the gold screen. Then install the good screen. Put the battery into the case and snap back the battery cable. Connect the charger to the phone. Show charging icon. Wait a minute. OK, it's already on automatically. Wait a little longer. Successfully enter the system. Other things will not be installed back first, because I subsequently intend to change it to a large battery of 8800 mAh. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.